It's hard to believe we're already halfway through the year. So I thought it was fun to look back at everything that I have sewn so far. When I compared this year's numbers to last year's, I realized that I've made quite a bit less. So today, let's take a look at every project that I've made so far. Hi everyone, my name is Karen and this is my channel KGFL Creations. Welcome to another episode of Friday Sews. Actually today, this Friday Sews is going to be very different. As you can see by the intro, I am going to talk about everything that I have sewn through the last 6 months. Let's get right into this video. This shirt that I'm wearing, it is not a me made. So this is just a regular t-shirt that I bought out of Amazon. And yeah, I wore this to work today and I just kept it so I could make this video. Oh, something else before I forget. I wanted to wish everybody a happy 4th of July. This weekend is a big holiday for us here in the United States. It's 4th of July. We are celebrating 250 years of our independence. So let's start from the beginning of the year. I put it on as I made these in order. Some of it is not ironed, but none of this I pulled out of the laundry bin. So everything is clean. It is not ironed, but it is cleaned. First thing that I finished in the beginning of the year. I don't know if I counted this last year or not, because I had started last year, but I finished in the beginning of the year. This is the Parker Ponte pants, the black Parker Ponte pants, and I really like this. I will insert a little picture here. As I have pictures, I think I have pictures, I'll just insert them here quickly so you can see me wearing the garment. So this was Parker Ponte pants by Style Arc. Great pair of pants. After that, I made my TNT. I've made 2,000 of these. Well, not really. This is a classic tee by Love Notions. This here, my little striped tee, I do wear this one a lot. Really, really like this. This is my favorite pattern, the classic tee. This was also made in January. This was a batch cut that I did. I cut 3 tees at the same time. So I made the classic tee, and right after that I made this one here, which is the Eustace. Is it the Eustace top? I believe it is. By Cashmere. It's from the book, one of the books. I don't remember which book it is. And I made this one. I do like this pattern, but this fabric, not the best fabric. After I wash it, I think I wore this twice since I made it, maybe 2 or 3 times, and every time I wash it, it is not washing that well. There's a lot of little things here, and I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of peeling a little bit, so I don't know. This fabric was not the best fabric, but I do like the pattern, the cashmere pattern. This was the 3rd from that batch cut. This is also a Eustace top in this Swiss dot knit that I purchased from Hobby Lobby a while back, and it is a long sleeve. I did not get to wear this. By the time I finished this, I put it in the closet, it started getting warmer, and I did not wear this. So hopefully by the end of the year, I could wear my long sleeve Eustace top, which is also black, nice and classic for work, for anything, this little top here. So this was January, and then I think at the end of January I had started on the fringe dress, this here, fringe dress, and I had some trouble with this. I do like this dress. I did wear it on my cruise. I do like this dress, but I had some trouble. I don't know if you remember, on the sides here, it kind of drooped a little bit. The waist seam. It kind of went down and I had to fix that. So this here gave me a little bit of trouble. As you can see, it is not ironed. It is sitting here to be ironed, but it is a very pretty dress. I did wear it on my cruise, this little dress. After this one, I did make this one here. This is the sleeveless Rhapsody top. Rhapsody is one of my favorite tops. I had made, I don't know, maybe 5, 6, 7. I made it for myself. I made it for my daughter. I made dresses. Yeah. My knit favorite is the classic tee, and my woven is the Rhapsody. So this one here is a great little tee, and I have worn it. I wear it, put it to wash, and once I wash it, I put it back and I wear it again. I don't have to iron this. Yeah, don't have to iron it. So this is awesome. And then while I had started making the next one, my next make, I had to stop because I had to go to Brazil because I lost my mother this year. I know you all remember that. I had to go, I had to spend time in Brazil, and then after that it took me a little while to come back into the sewing room because I was grieving. I am still grieving, just so you know. Yeah, it takes time. I'm still, yeah, let's not talk about that. But the next one was the ginger jeans, but it was not the long pair of pants. I had some leftover of the white denim fabric, and I made Bermuda shorts here. Made these Bermuda shorts. Did not wear it yet because I gained weight, and right now it is not fitting me. So I need to lose a little bit of weight so this thing can fit me. But it turned out really good. Right after I finished this Bermuda shorts, I started on a toile, a muslin. I wanted to make a sleeveless top. I had some fabric left over, so I made this. This is the Byron top by Sinclair Patterns, and I used this seersucker fabric. Love this pattern. I do wear this. I have a pair of pants, my first Pietra pants in a lighter blue. It's not a very light blue, but it's a blue and it goes very well with this, and I could wear this with that. But what I really did not like, I'm not 100% on, is the seersucker fabric. Don't like this texture. But the good thing is I don't have to iron this. So that's a plus. But it is a very good pattern, and this was my toile. After I made this, I did some adjustments on the bust, and I made a different size. Did I make a different size? I think I made a different bust cup. This one was a bit too big for me, and after this one, I made the one that I really wanted to make, which was a cotton lawn that I had some left over in my stash, which is this one right here. This one I made with the AB cup, so this one fit a little bit better on me. You see this one here, I have to iron. This needs ironing, but I love this top. It's nice and light, great for the Florida summer. It is great. Next, this one was the first I made, I believe, after I came back from my cruise. It's a regular t-shirt. Again, big guess. It's another classic tee by Love Notions. This one I made it in a V neckline here. This fabric was from Nick of Times. It's a 100% cotton. Yeah. Yes, it is a 100% cotton, I believe. Maybe a little bit of spandex, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is a nice tee. Basic tee, goes with anything. This little tee here. We're getting to the end. After that one came this Sunday romper dress. Love this dress. Love this dress. This fabric here is an art gallery fabric that I purchased from Hawthorne Supply & Co. Purchased online. I think they're based in Connecticut or in New York, somewhere up in the Northeast. And I purchased this one, and I love this dress. Love the colors, love everything about it. Yeah, I had made the Sunday romper before twice, so this is my third that I've made, and I really like this pattern for a nice knit. Great for the summer here in South Florida. After that, I made a toile, again, toile muslin for the lander pants, but I made a Bermuda shorts. This needs ironing. I did wash it. I did wear these shorts, and they're washed, just needs to be ironed. And after I made this one, I made some adjustments to the front crotch, and yeah, I think that's what I did. And I made a smaller size on the front piece, but I kept a size, I think a size 20 or size 18, I don't remember, 18 and 20, something like that, for the pants. But yeah, this is my toile, my muslin, and I will keep this one. I'm hoping that after I washed it, it shrunk a little bit, so it will be better after it shrunk. So this is my first lander pants. After that one, I finished the actual lander pants, which is in this brown twill that I got from Nick of Times. Yeah, Nick of Time Textiles, I believe that's the name of the online. And I finished this. Like I said, I did make the adjustments from the my toile. Yeah, I made the front a size smaller than the back, and I did narrow the legs a little bit. So very happy with this one. So that's pretty much everything that I have finished in June. Actually, there's one more garment that I finished in June, but I am not going to show it to you because it's part of the Clearwater Summer Essentials, the swimsuit set that I'm making for my daughter. I did finish the shorts, but I'm not done with the little dress. It's almost done. I have to add the elastic up here and in the armhole. I have to finish that and then do the hemming. But that's the most tedious part. I really have to pay attention to that one. Now I want to play a little game and give a couple of awards to my garments here, to my projects. So let's start with my favorite garment so far that I have sewn this year. My favorite one would be this one here because of this fabric. I absolutely love this fabric here. I love it. Yeah. The pattern, I had sewn it before. It is a good pattern. I really like this pattern. It is a nice dress and it's very good. I can go to work with this, no problem. It covers very well. It is a nice length, but I absolutely love this fabric. So this is the award for my favorite garment. Let's give an award for the most worn garment. And for sure, I don't even have to think about that one. It is my sleeveless Rhapsody top. This one right here. I actually wear this one more than the other ones. I have one that's a black fabric from Beyond the Pink Door fabric that I received, and that one is not looking so good because it's black, and as I wash it, it's looking, yeah, it's not looking that good. And the other one is a lighter fabric, a beige with a brown. I took some pictures with my brown lander pants. I don't know if you remember that one. That's a good one, but that one I need to iron. So I prefer using this one because I can wash it, put it right back on the hanger, and I can wear it, and I don't have to iron this one. So this one is the most worn garment so far. Let's give the award for the project that tested my patience. I know you know which one I'm going to pick. I know you know which one I'm going to pick. It is going to be the pair of pants. Yes. It took a while for me to go through this and make the pair of pants because of all the adjustments, and I had to make the toile, and yes, this one right here. This one tested my patience. Let's give the next and last award for the garment that I would definitely make again. And let me pick one. Actually, I think I have two that I would make again. I would make again the Parker Ponte pants. I really like this pattern. It is a good pattern. The only thing is that I don't have any other Ponte in my stash that I can make one. So if I buy a nice and thick Ponte fabric, I would make these pants again. The other one, which is a tie, it would be the Byron top. I really like this pattern. I really like this top here, and even the other one. I do wear that one. It's just the fabric that is not my favorite. But this is a nice top for the weather that I live here in South Florida. So this is really, really good. Now that I have looked back at the first half of the year, here is what I plan for the remainder of the year. I hope to keep sewing more pants. That is on the plan, to sew more pants now that I'm not that afraid of sewing pants. I also hope to be using my cover stitch machine a little bit more, pick up some garments that I can actually sew on the cover stitch, and make a dent in my stash, hoping that I can use a lot more fabrics from my stash and that I don't buy as much as I've been doing. I need to just go like and not buy any more fabric. So let's hope, let's see what I actually get done for my plans for the remainder of the year. I hope you enjoyed this video where I shared everything that I made through the first half of the year. And as usual, if you liked this video, can you please hit the like button below, and if you can also subscribe, it will mean a lot to me. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.